Planning to visit Los Angeles but want to travel light? Radical Storage offers a secure and hassle-free way to store your bags while you explore the city. In this guide, you'll discover how to use Radical Storage to safely store your luggage at one of their partnered locations, such as hotels, cafes, or shops, all fully insured for your peace of mind. Instead of searching the web for luggage storage options and risking phishing websites, use the official link provided in this guide to access Radical Storage directly. To find a storage point in Los Angeles, enter Los Angeles in the search bar on the Radical Storage website, and you'll instantly see a range of available options across the city. You can choose storage near popular attractions, downtown areas, or major transit hubs, ensuring maximum convenience. After selecting your location, simply choose your preferred drop-off and pick-up times, then proceed to payment. Radical Storage offers secure online transactions, so you can book with confidence. Once confirmed, you'll receive a reference number along with directions to your selected storage point. Upon arrival, present your reference number to the staff, and they will safely store your luggage for you. Now, you can explore Los Angeles without being weighed down by your bags, knowing they are securely stored with Radical Storage. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below.